What's going on here?
I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to look into it.
So Mr. Mitch got a brand new screen here, but he's trying to figure out how to work it. And he has this crazy ass little drone. So before the TRX4 session, we're just trying to mess around with the drone a little bit. Oh wow. Oh jeez. Yeah, I know. Oh, wow. Oh.
Hang on, you can see. That one got blown around, you can see.
Exactly. I think it's steady. Oh my goodness, that is so high. Your flight's pretty good, man. Wow, look at that. Damn.
This thing is capable of doing flips and all sorts of shit.
Not. Ooh, beautiful.
Not at that level, not even close.
Well, you'll get there, man. You just got it not too long ago.
I've only been flying for a few weeks.
Exactly. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh. Run. You're just trying to figure this thing out, man. You're just trying to learn the stuff. Spend $1,000 on learning, that's pretty good.
When I get new antennas for it, I'm gonna get some really small heat shrink.
Oh,
stuff,
nice.
Some of this stuff. Put it on those. Hopefully that'll protect them from getting hurt.
Little custom Lego stand for it. Pretty sick. Mitch designed it himself. I like it, man. Just perfect. Look at that. It's perfect. Look at that. That's sick. That's the little dance that it does. It's like, I'm happy. I'm in the sky. Oh, that is so scary. That was so high, man. That was crazy. I hope you guys can see this beautiful thing flying. Oh, damn. Showing some moves here, Mr. Mitch. Oh my God. Is that ever fast?